Welcome to this comprehensive guide on solving the Cocoapods gems error when running a Flutter iOS app on an Apple MacBook Pro M1. If you've encountered this frustrating issue, you're in the right place. The error message typically indicates a problem with Cocoapods and gem dependencies. This can be a common hurdle for developers using Flutter on the latest Apple hardware. Let's start by cleaning the Flutter caches. Open your terminal and type the command. This command helps remove any old cache data that might be causing conflicts. Next, we'll clean the project cache. Run the command. This ensures that your project directory is free from any stale build artifacts. Navigate to the iOS directory of your Flutter project and delete the file. This file can sometimes retain old dependency configurations that lead to errors. In the same iOS directory, run the command. This will remove the current Cocoapod setup from your project, preparing it for a fresh installation. Now type. If you encounter any failure messages, run to refresh your Cocoapods repository, and then try again. Once all the pod dependencies are downloaded and installed, your project should run successfully. If you still face issues, feel free to screenshot your error and share it with us for further assistance. Thanks for watching and happy coding!